everybody, it's Alexis from the Bedford Life. I'm here with my friend Nick. Today he's going to teach me how to make a martini.
I'm going to make my world famous fruity lemonade mango martini. And I know it's world famous because I just made it up and it's going to be incredible.
You ready, Dad?
Okay.
And I have to tell you, I have been to Nick's house for a bunch of dinner parties, and many nights I have left very because he's been the bartender. So I know that these things are fantastic. Thank God I have a DD. So. Now, I have never made a martini before. I have consumed many of them, but never actually made one. So this is a first for me.
And you strain.
What the f is taking so long?
She can't even wait for a drink.
What do I need a glass for?
Good point, good point.
Thank you.
Cheers. Quality control.
It is world famous. It's actually very delicious. It's really fruity. It's nice and light and like perfect for summer because it's like right around the corner. And I hate drinking wine in the summer, so this is perfect. Your made-up world famous cocktails are fabulous.
Banging.
Banging. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now, if you love this video, don't forget the
Yeah, that's good.
Do it again. Wow.
Cheers.
Take 17.
Yeah.
These things are kicking in.
Yeah,
Woo! Party time. Now, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up. You can also go to thebedfordlife.com to join our mailing list. You'll get exclusive promos and discounts on all our fabulous merchandise. Happy Martini Day, everybody.
Martini Day.
Good. Summer. Tastes like summer.
Yeah, that's right. Good shit. That is
Summer in a martini glass.
That is good.
It's really good.